smoke me. God, that's smoking me. So for today's adventure, I'm taking my beloved 1962 Rover 2000 down to CCK Historic near Tunbridge Wells in Kent. It needs the C-post, or they call it D-post in this car for some reason, the parts books. D-post bottoms welding up. It's a common problem on these cars. If it sounds kind of loud and echoey in here, that's because I've taken the rear seats out. There's a little bit of a drip in the back, and if I take it out in the rain myself, I'll wipe it up straight away, but as this car's going to be in and out of a garage a lot and it's winter time, they may not even notice if the car gets wet. Then I went to CCK for a quote because I've used them in the past for feathery work and I know they're extremely good, but not necessarily the cheapest, but probably one of the best. And they were able to fit me in within just a couple of months waiting time. So now we're off on a day which I wouldn't necessarily have chosen to take a 45-year-old car out for a run on, as it's absolutely chucking it down again. All my videos seem to be in the rain at the moment. Oh god, there's smoke in it. God, there's smoke in it. That looks very melted down there. That wire. Really, really hot. Alternator's pretty warm to the touch. Ow, exhaust is warm to the touch. Not good. Yes, it's a white Rover 2000. I thought something was on fire. I thought it was an electrical fault, but I think actually it's the radiator hose has just burst and it's poured itself over the alternator and the car's now very dead. Don't worry, I've broken down lots before.
Bottom, you see the water coming out of it, look.
Oh yeah. Well, at least it's a nice simple thing then. You do it again, so I'll do a quick video of that.
Oh, okay. Waterproof foam.